Welcome back to this series of how to run your own workshop and earn money. In the last video, we discussed the importance of getting the right venue, especially a venue with good parking. This tip is also about choosing the right venue, but the right day. Yes, the right day can benefit your workshop, or you could lose people if you get the right day wrong. Well, first of all, my tip is don't choose Monday. I wouldn't choose Monday for opening up a workshop, an evening workshop. The reason for that is because people don't like Monday because they've got to go to work. And most people, when they do go to work, they're tired, they're exhausted, and they just want to settle down at home, have the tea, watch telly and go to bed for the next day. So I wouldn't choose Monday. I also wouldn't choose Tuesday or Wednesday as well. Them days don't seem to be good days to have workshops. I would choose Thursday. Thursday is a great day to hold a workshop, an evening workshop. The reason why that is because it's not the weekend and it's in the middle of the week. And people tend to get bored at home watching TV, going to work, coming home. They want something to stimulate their mind, and they want something to break the weekend off. And what a great way of studying, meeting people at a workshop and interacting with people and networking. So Thursday seems to be a fantastic day and evening to open up your workshop. So I would recommend Thursday. The time's very important. I wouldn't open my workshop doors and have people coming round about 6 p.m. in England, in British time. It'd be different if you're from another country or in another country, but I'm talking mainly about Britain at the moment. But I wouldn't open the doors for 6 p.m. The reason why that is, again, is human behaviour, human psychology. If people's gone to work, they've got to get home, get the tea, get the children, if they've got the children, to bed and settle down and travel from work. It takes a couple of hours to get back from work if they finish at 5 or 4:30. So it's all hustle and bustle, and they possibly won't have time to commute or travel to your workshop. So the best time what I open my workshop as is round about 6:30 p.m. and I run my workshop till about 9 o'clock. I don't go over 9 o'clock because, again, they've got to get home, they've got to travel, they've got to get to bed and then get back to work the next day. So you don't want to leave it too late. So the time possibly right, which I've done and works many times, is from 7:30 p.m. to 9 o'clock on a Thursday evening. I've also run workshop on Sunday. Sunday evening is quite good. I've had good response on Sunday evening. Not better than Thursday, but I have run workshops on Sunday. That reason is because people want to do something different at the weekend. Again, from 7:30 p.m. till 9 is very important on Sunday, because obviously they've got to go to work next day or get the kids going to school or whatever. But I would say Thursday evening's the best. If you want, Sunday also can be pretty good day. So, hope you're enjoying this series on how to run your own workshop and earn money. Go to my listing on my YouTube channel to find all the videos and tips and strategies and techniques on how to run your own workshop and earn money. Go to Peter Coddigan, The Entrepreneur Journey, and go to my listing titled How to Open Up Your Own Workshop and Earn Money. There you'll find all the videos on how to open up your own workshop and earn good money. I've earned some really good money in teaching workshops, and you don't have a lot of overheads. That's the great thing about this business, is that your overheads are really, really cheap. You don't have to really spend a lot of money finding venues and opening up a lot of workshops. It's really lucrative. You can earn a lot of money and become a superstar, a rock star. I'll tell you in the next videos how you can become the sort of authority, the person to come to and be like a rock star in the public eye. So, follow me on this series. Let's learn how to open up your own workshops and earn money. And come along with me on this journey as well. Keep watching my videos on the entrepreneur journey, and see you in the next video on how to open up your own workshop and earn money. And remember everyone, you take care of each other. Bye-bye.